Okay, so I have changed my mind, and instead of giving you guys the test corrections, we are going to play a game of Jeopardy. Since you guys had to take 3 tests yesterday, trying to give you a little break. So you will still have your read aloud today. It'll be pretty short, but make sure you get that done as well. Here we have drama. Usually they have the categories up here, but instead of the names of the categories, they just put the letters. If you never played before, the way that you play Jeopardy is I click on one of these boxes, and the answer is going to be in the form of what is. So your answer will be what is a script or what is a dialogue. And if you get that question correct, you get the point. So you will add up all of your points at the end. And on this assignment in the comments, you can put however many points you got if you want. And we can see who got the highest score. So starting here at D100. This is a story intended to be performed in front of an audience. Going to reveal the answer in 3, 2... Well, before I reveal the answer, make sure you either have it in your head or you write it down. 3, 2, 1. What is a drama? R100. These are divisions of acts that occur in different settings. 3, 2, 1. Also, remember that if you're not ready for the answer, you can just pause the video. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What are scenes? A100. This is a major division within a play in which 2 or more scenes are grouped together. 3, 2, 1. What is an act? M100. This is a list of all the characters in a play. They usually are listed according to appearance. 3, 2, 1. What is the cast? A100. These are instructions for the actors, the director, and the stage crew, and are normally written in italics and inside parentheses or brackets. We usually said they're inside of parentheses. 3, 2, 1. What are stage directions? D200. This is the abbreviation of the word property and is any object that is used in a play to enhance the setting. For example, Snow White biting into an apple. 3, 2, 1. What are props? R200. He or she is the author of a play. 3, 2, 1. What is a playwright? A200. Stage directions are usually found inside. 3, 2, 1. What is parentheses? M200. The order the story follows, it starts with the introduction, rising action, climax, falling action, resolution. We should all get this correct. We talk about this so much. 3, 2, 1. What is plot? Plot. A200. These words are conversations spoken by characters to each other. Much of what you learn about the characters, setting, and events are revealed in this conversation. 3, 2, 1. What is dialogue? A play can have multiple settings. True or false? 3, 2, 1. What is true? R300. This is the written form of a play. 3, 2, 1. What is a script? A, 300. This building where we can watch a play. I don't know if we exactly went over this one, but I think using your background knowledge, I think you can get this one. 3, 2, 1. What is a theater? M, 300. People watching the play. 3, 2, 1. What is audience? A, 300. The problem or conflict is resolved. The end. 3, 2, 1. What is the resolution? D, 400. Where the actors stand to perform the play. 3, 2, 1. The stage. What is a stage? R, 400. The central message or idea of a drama. The lesson learned. 3, 2, 1. What is theme? A, 400. A struggle that a character has. 3, 2, 1. What is a conflict or problem? What is conflict or problem? M, 400. This is the person who sets the scene for a play and comments on the action, gives the audience information. 3, 2, 1. Also, a hint, we can have more than one of this person or these people. 3, 2, 1. Who is the narrator? A, 400. An act is a division of the play and a scene is a division of the act. True or false? 3, 2, 1. What is true? D, 500. This comes from the Greek word dran, which means to do or to act. So we did not go over this, but kudos and hand claps and applause to you if you get this correct. I think this should be worth like 600 points. So the answer is 3, 2, 1. What is drama? R, 500. How the story is developed in drama. 3, 2, 1. What is dialogue? A, 500. These are clothing and accessories worn by actors to portray the characters and the time period. 3, 2, 1. What are costumes? M, 500. The drama element portrayed here. Wyona is sitting on the couch. She sees Paul and jumps to her feet. Wyona, angrily, what do you want? So usually we would put these inside of parentheses. They have it inside of brackets. Excuse me. So what is this inside of the brackets? 3, 2, 1. What are stage directions? Last one. A, 500. Every time the setting changes, a new scene is started. True or false? 3, 2, 1. What is true? Alrighty, so add up all of your points and comment in the private comment. That way I can see who has the highest score.